It's so interesting with the Cancerians. I feel like I need to whisper today. It's so interesting with the Cancerians because the theme is very similar in the daily forecast at the moment. And so I sit here quietly, and what becomes very clear is if and when you stop trying to convince other people to jump on board with you, your decisions, your dreams, whatever it may be, you'll have the clarity that you need. The confusion, if I can even call it confusion, I'm not even sure if it's called confusion, but the lack of clarity for you is coming from the need to convince others to jump on board to the project you're doing, whatever it is that you want, your endeavor, whatever it may be. This is the problem. You're trying to convince other people, and the more you're in the energy of trying to convince other people, the less clarity you have. That's my dog in the background. Sorry, she's dreaming. Bless her little cotton woolies. So if you want clarity, stop trying to get everybody else involved in whatever it is that you're doing.